Hi viewers, thank you so much for joining us this time once again. I really appreciate your time here for watching and then subscribing and following. And we have some simple problem here today to solve, and then I think as we solve it along, you'll get to understand the procedure. But before I continue, please, if this is your first time here, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook, and also make sure that you follow us and then share all the videos that you have. You can also check us on TikTok. We have some videos on that as well. And so we are trying to expand the whole territory so that many people can have access to these particular tutorials. All right, we shall solve this quickly. The problem is find the value of x for which the fraction, this one, is undefined. This is what it means is that for any fraction is undefined if the denominator is equals to 0. So we are being asked to find the value of x in this case, for which this entire fraction is actually undefined. And for us to do so, we have to equate the denominator to 0. And when we do so, we'll be able to get the value of x respectively. All right, so we have solution, and we have x plus 2 numerator, and the denominator x minus 2, x plus 1. So for us to be able to find the value of x that qualifies this or make this fraction not defined is to make sure that we equate this to 0. And you can see we have two parts, part 1 and part 2. So we are going to equate part 1 to 0 and part 2 to 0 as well. And after that, we make sure that we do the correct arithmetic to be able to drive at the correct answer as well. All right, so we're going to have x minus 2 is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. Okay, we also have x plus 1 is equals to 0 and x is equals to minus 1. Therefore, x is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 1 makes the fraction not defined. And this becomes the final solution to this problem. Now, let me take it over. You find a way to equate the denominator to 0. Then you make sure that if they are in two parts, equate two parts respectively, 3 parts, you make sure you equate 3 parts, all the 3 parts to 0. Then you find the value of x. Situations whereby you have 3 terms. For instance, you have x, y, and z, or there are 3 things that you need to make sure you work it out. You have to be able to factorize that first. When you factorize that first, you'll be able to find the value of x. Then when you're able to equate it to 0, it's simple for you to do that. Then you now get the value of x for the first side and the second side as well. So you can do that as many as you can to get the value of x with respect to the kind of problem that has been given to you. And this has become the solution to this problem. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for following. I really appreciate you a lot. Please, those who have joined us for the first time, kindly follow us, share all the videos, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel so that we can grow together. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.